generations, people around the world have heard the claim: the Great Wall of China is the only man-made structure visible from space. This idea has captured imaginations and become a symbol of human achievement. But where did this myth originate, and is there any truth to it? In this video, we'll explore the origins of this popular belief, examine what it really means to be visible from space, and uncover the facts behind the legend. Let's begin our journey by understanding how this myth became so widespread and why it continues to fascinate so many. The idea that the Great Wall of China is visible from space dates back centuries. Some say it first appeared in ancient Chinese folklore, while others believe it was popularized in Western literature during the 19th and 20th centuries. Early astronauts and scientists often repeated the claim, adding to its credibility. However, as technology advanced and more people traveled to space, questions began to arise about the accuracy of this statement. Understanding the origins of this claim helps us see how myths can spread and persist, even in the age of science and exploration. Before we can answer whether the Great Wall is visible from space, we need to clarify what visible from space actually means. Does it refer to being seen with the naked eye from low Earth orbit, or does it mean being visible from the moon? The term is often used loosely, leading to confusion. In reality, visibility depends on many factors, including altitude, weather, lighting, and the observer's eyesight. Let's break down these factors to better understand the challenges of spotting objects from such great distances. Great Wall of China is an impressive feat of engineering, stretching over 13,000 miles across northern China. Built from various materials like stone, brick, tamped earth, and wood, its width and height vary along its length. In some places, the wall is wide enough for several people to walk side by side, while in others, it's much narrower. Its color often blends with the natural landscape, making it even harder to distinguish from above. Understanding the wall's structure is key to evaluating its visibility from space. Most astronauts travel in low Earth orbit, which is typically between 160 and 2,000 kilometers above the Earth's surface. From this altitude, large cities, airports, and even highways can sometimes be seen, depending on weather and lighting. However, even at this relatively low height, distinguishing individual structures can be challenging. The Great Wall, despite its length, is quite narrow compared to the vastness of the Earth's surface. Let's see what astronauts actually report seeing from this vantage point. Many astronauts have commented on the visibility of the Great Wall from space. The consensus is that, with the naked eye, the wall is extremely difficult to spot. Some astronauts have even said it's impossible to see without the aid of telescopic lenses or ideal conditions. Instead, they often notice larger features like cities, rivers, and airports. These observations challenge the long-held belief and provide first-hand accounts from those who have actually been in orbit. The advancement of photography and satellite imaging, we have more ways than ever to observe Earth from space. High-resolution cameras can capture detailed images, but even these often struggle to pick out the Great Wall. In most photos taken from orbit, the wall is either invisible or barely discernible, blending into the surrounding terrain. This photographic evidence further supports the idea that the wall is not easily visible from space, at least not with the naked eye. Some versions of the myth claim the Great Wall is visible from the moon. However, this is simply not true. The distance from the moon to Earth is about 384,000 kilometers, making it impossible to see any man-made structure without powerful telescopes. Even continents and large landmasses are difficult to distinguish from that far away. This part of the myth has been debunked by astronauts who have traveled to the moon and by scientific analysis. Several factors influence whether something can be seen from space. These include the size and color of the object, the angle of sunlight, weather conditions, and the observer's eyesight. The Great Wall's narrow width and earth-tone colors make it especially hard to spot, even under ideal conditions. In contrast, features like airports and highways, which are wider and often have more contrast with their surroundings, are easier to see from orbit. While the Great Wall is long, it's not the only large man-made structure on Earth. Other features such as highways, airports, and even some dams can be seen from space under the right conditions. These structures are often wider or have colors that stand out more against their surroundings. Comparing the wall to these other features helps put its visibility into perspective and shows that it's not unique in this regard. Modern technology, including satellites and high-powered cameras, has changed the way we observe Earth from space. These tools can capture images with incredible detail, sometimes revealing features that are invisible to the naked eye. However, even with these advancements, the Great Wall remains difficult to spot in most images. This highlights the limitations of human vision and the importance of technology in expanding our understanding of the world. The reason the Great Wall is so hard to see from space is its natural camouflage. Built from local materials, the wall often matches the color and texture of the surrounding landscape. This blending effect makes it nearly invisible from above, especially when compared to structures that use more contrasting materials. The wall's ability to blend in is a testament to the ingenuity of its builders, but it also makes it less likely to stand out from orbit. Human eye has its limits, especially when it comes to distinguishing small or low-contrast objects from great distances. From space, even large cities can appear as tiny patches, and narrow structures like the Great Wall are even harder to see. This limitation is one reason why many astronauts report not being able to spot the wall without assistance. Our eyes simply aren't designed for such extreme viewing conditions. Satellites equipped with powerful cameras can capture images of the Earth in remarkable detail. These images are used for everything from mapping to environmental monitoring. In some cases, satellites have managed to photograph sections of the Great Wall, but these images are usually taken at much lower altitudes than where astronauts orbit. This distinction is important when considering what is truly visible from space. It's like the visibility of the Great Wall from space persist because they capture our imagination and sense of wonder. They often start with a kernel of truth or a misunderstanding, then grow as they are repeated and embellished over time. The story of the wall's visibility is a perfect example of how myths can become accepted as fact, even when evidence suggests otherwise. Great Wall is more than just a physical structure, it's a symbol of China's history, culture, and resilience. The myth of its visibility from space adds to its mystique and global reputation. Even if the claim isn't scientifically accurate, it reflects the wall's importance in the collective imagination and its status as one of the world's most iconic landmarks. Movies, books, and documentaries often repeat the claim that the Great Wall is visible from space. This repetition helps keep the myth alive, even as scientific evidence disproves it. Popular media plays a powerful role in shaping public perceptions and spreading stories that may not always be accurate. The wall's legendary status is reinforced every time the myth is mentioned in a new context. Myth about the Great Wall's visibility from space is often taught in schools and appears in textbooks. While it may inspire curiosity about space and engineering, it also highlights the importance of critical thinking and verifying information. Educators can use this example to teach students how to question widely held beliefs and seek out reliable sources. Scientists and researchers have conducted numerous studies to determine what can and cannot be seen from space. Using a combination of astronaut reports, satellite images, and computer models, they have consistently found that the Great Wall is not easily visible to the naked eye from orbit. These investigations help separate fact from fiction and contribute to our understanding of human perception and technology. Lighting plays a crucial role in determining what can be seen from space. The angle of the sun, the presence of shadows, and the time of day all affect visibility. The Great Wall, with its earth-toned colors, is especially hard to spot when lighting conditions are not ideal. This is another reason why astronauts rarely report seeing the wall from orbit. Cloud cover, haze, and atmospheric conditions can all obscure the view of Earth from space. Even large features can disappear under a blanket of clouds. The Great Wall, being relatively narrow and earth-colored, is especially vulnerable to being hidden by weather. This further reduces the chances of spotting it from orbit, even on a clear day. Over the centuries, many sections of the Great Wall have deteriorated or been reclaimed by nature. Some parts are well preserved, while others are little more than ruins. This variation in condition affects how visible the wall is, both from the ground and from above. The more weathered and overgrown sections are especially hard to distinguish from the surrounding landscape. Many people underestimate the scale of the Earth and overestimate the size of the Great Wall. While the wall is long, it is quite narrow compared to the vastness of the planet. This misconception about scale contributes to the belief that the wall should be easily visible from space, when in reality, it is just a thin line against a massive backdrop. Several astronauts have spoken publicly about the myth. For example, Yang Liwei, China's first astronaut, said he could not see the Great Wall from space. American astronaut Gene Cernan also confirmed that the wall is not visible from the moon. These first-hand accounts provide valuable insight and help debunk the myth once and for all. Regardless of its visibility from space, the Great Wall remains one of the most significant historical structures in the world. Its construction spanned centuries and involved countless workers. The wall's enduring legacy is a testament to human determination and ingenuity, making it a source of pride for China and a wonder for visitors from around the globe. For millions of tourists each year, the Great Wall is a must-see destination. Visitors marvel at its scale and the breathtaking views it offers. While the myth of its visibility from space adds to its allure, most people are more impressed by experiencing the wall up close. The real magic lies in walking its ancient stones and imagining the history they have witnessed. The construction of the Great Wall involved a variety of techniques and materials, depending on the region and era. Builders used local resources which helped the wall blend into its environment. This practical approach made the wall more durable but also contributed to its camouflage effect, making it less visible from a distance. In recent years, there have been significant efforts to preserve and restore the Great Wall. Conservationists work to repair damaged sections and protect the wall from further deterioration. These efforts ensure that future generations can continue to appreciate this incredible structure, regardless of whether it's visible from space. Today, the Great Wall is a symbol of national pride and a major tourist attraction. It appears on currency, stamps, and in countless works of art. The wall's image is used to represent China's strength and resilience both at home and abroad. Its legendary status continues to grow, fueled by both fact and fiction. The myth of the Great Wall's visibility from space teaches us valuable lessons about the power of stories and the importance of critical thinking. It reminds us to question what we hear, seek out evidence, and appreciate the wonders of the world for what they truly are. Myths can inspire, but facts help us understand and appreciate reality. The Great Wall has inspired countless people around the world. Its story is taught in schools, featured in documentaries, and admired by travelers. The myth of its visibility from space has only added to its mystique, making it a symbol not just for China but for human achievement everywhere. Modern technology allows us to study and appreciate the Great Wall in new ways. Drones, 3D mapping, and virtual reality experiences bring the wall to life for people who may never visit in person. These tools also help researchers monitor the wall's condition and plan preservation efforts more effectively. The Great Wall is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, highlighting its global importance. This designation helps protect the wall and ensures that it remains a source of inspiration for generations to come. The wall's status as a World Heritage Site is a testament to its enduring significance. Artists and writers have long been inspired by the Great Wall. Its image appears in paintings, poems, and stories from around the world. The myth of its visibility from space has become part of its legend, adding another layer to its rich cultural legacy. Construction and maintenance of the Great Wall have had a lasting impact on the environment. In some areas, the wall has altered local ecosystems and changed the landscape. Today, conservationists work to balance preservation with environmental protection, ensuring that the wall remains a positive force for both people and nature. Originally built for defense, the Great Wall served as a barrier against invasions and raids. Its strategic importance shaped the history of China and influenced the development of military architecture. The wall's defensive role is a key part of its story, adding to its significance as a historical monument. Beyond its physical presence, the Great Wall symbolizes strength, perseverance, and unity. It stands as a reminder of what people can achieve when they work together toward a common goal. The myth of its visibility from space, while not factual, adds to its symbolic power and enduring appeal. In the digital age, the Great Wall is more accessible than ever. Online tour, virtual reality experiences, and social media bring the wall to people all over the world. These digital tools help spread knowledge and appreciation for the wall while also allowing myths and legends to persist in new forms. Despite centuries of study, the Great Wall still holds many mysteries. Its full length, hidden sections, and ancient secrets continue to fascinate historians and explorers. The myth of its visibility from space is just one of many stories that add to its allure and sense of wonder. The Great Wall continues to inspire new generations. Whether through stories, art, or personal visits, its legend grows with each passing year. The myth of its visibility from space, though debunked, remains a part of its enduring charm and the way people around the world connect with its story. Teachers and educators use the Great Wall as a case study in history, engineering, and critical thinking. The myth about its visibility from space provides a valuable lesson in questioning assumptions and seeking evidence. The wall's story is a powerful tool for inspiring curiosity and learning. Looking ahead, the future of the Great Wall depends on ongoing preservation and public interest. As technology advances, new ways of studying and protecting the wall will emerge. Its myth and reality will continue to coexist, ensuring that the wall remains a source of fascination for generations to come. Scientists continue to study the Great Wall, using it to learn about ancient engineering, environmental change, and human adaptation. The myth of its visibility from space serves as a reminder of the importance of evidence-based science and the need to challenge assumptions. To sum up, the Great Wall of China is not easily visible from space with the naked eye. While technology can sometimes capture images of the wall, most astronauts and scientists agree that it is not the prominent feature the myth suggests. The wall's true significance lies in its history, culture, and enduring legacy, not in its visibility from orbit. The myth that the Great Wall of China is visible from space is a fascinating story, but it doesn't hold up to scientific scrutiny. While the wall remains one of humanity's greatest achievements, its true value lies in its history, culture, and the inspiration it provides. By separating fact from fiction, we can appreciate the wall for what it truly is, a marvel of human ingenuity and perseverance.